like to change the adjective for Karn over here. If Karn was an opportunist, why is he so much glorified as we see in Rashmi Rathi?
No doubt, Rashmi Rathi is a great recitation, and I love Rashmi Rathi a lot, written by Dinkar. But we must understand Rashmi Rathi is still, or Rashmi Rathi should still be considered as a modern retelling of Mahabharata,
Okay.
written in the modern era. And when we write a story today, we do not write it with the same eye or same context as it was, say, 5,000 years ago. For example, today we are going to deglorify polygamy for right reasons. But
Okay.
polygamy was an accepted practice, say, 5,000 years ago. This is just an example and not relevant to your current question. This is just setting up the background. So, when Rashmi Rathi is written in the recent times, Dinkar had to present an ideal probably slightly different from Mahabharata. It was a period when a lot of distortion has already been introduced in Indian cultures, and Indian cultures of caste system had become slightly skewed,
Okay.
slightly partial, which I must say is not reflected in the original Ramayana or Mahabharata era. So it had become slightly skewed, and people from the lower caste were being exploited. And this pollution had started after Mughals and Britishers came to India, it must be noted. So, so Dinkar had to lay down a rule. He had to show something that the lower castes were exploited, and he needed a role model. And I must say, I feel Karn got lucky.
Okay.
He became the role model of a person who was virtuous, who was great, and despite of his virtues and greatness, he suffered the humiliation throughout his life simply because he was born, or he was perceived to be born, in a lower caste.
Okay.
Drone says in first part or first sarg of Mahabharata that I will never teach him. Parshuram curses him despite of him being dutiful. Indra takes the Kavach, and Indra takes the Kavach under the false pretext, and he feels guilty and offers him a boon as celestial weapon. Now, in all these places, Dinkar has used his own creativity and suppress certain facts, and it had to be. If you have to make a certain role model, what kind of role model somebody would be if he publicly molests a woman?
Of course.
What kind of role model somebody will be if he barters his greatest celestial gift, one gift for another, and asks that I should be the, how do you compare? If you tell the complete fact that Karn said that I will not give you the my kavach unless you give me a divine weapon, then
Of course.
Karn cannot stand in the line of Shivi and Dadhichi, the great people who give the greatest sacrifice, their own flesh and bones, without expecting anything in return. So,
Of course.
for the poetic justice, it has to be done. But to be honest and to defend Dinkar also, Dinkar every time in a subtle tone also reflected the vices of Karn. For example, the Krishna Karn Samvad at the end of the Rashmi Rathi, Karn realizes that he is at fault, and in many cases he also refers some of the text from original Mahabharata, which unfortunately is completely missing in the most recent retellings of Mahabharata, both in the written form and in the TV shows, where they don't find anything wrong or any vice with Karn.
Okay.
Dinkar had a more holistic approach. While he was trying to glorify Karn, he also in a subtle way pointed the vices of Karn.